Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some calendars just in time for the new year. The products used in this video was sent to me from Let's Resin, so thank you so much. Today we're going to be using the Let's Resin brand of epoxy resin. This has two parts, a part A and a part B, mixed in a ratio of 1:1. We have a collection of butterfly and moths. These are cardboard cutouts that can be used in resin projects. So here are the butterflies that come in this set. Aren't they beautiful? And not only that, they're actually really big too. So let's just take a quick look at them. So these are made of thick stock paper. And there's a bit of an iridescence to them. This is the Luna Moth. And as you can see, it's actually double-sided. So both sides are colored. So the biggest ones are these moths. We have the smaller ones here. And we also got some butterflies. And here's a tiny one. So they range from 1 inch to about, I think this one is about 6 inches. So this is a really cool pack. It comes in a variety of species in different sizes. In addition, we also have a box of Chameleon Flakes. This one has 8 colors. On the inside, it comes with a brush. I flipped the vials around and you can see the different colors. Seems like there actually is quite a lot too. So these vials are about 1 inch tall and it looks like it's filled pretty much to the brim. We also have a packet of Chameleon Powder. This one also comes with a brush. Oh, and here they are. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. I really like the teal, the purple, the blue. These are really pretty, and the white one too. For the calendars, we're going to be using 2 molds. So here is the first one. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a weekly planner. So it lists all 7 days of the week here, including an extra column for notes. On the side here, we have a few shapes. These are in the shapes of different weather environments. So we have rainbow, sun, we got raindrop, lightning, a moon, and a cloud. And the other mold that we have is the monthly calendar. So it has space for you to write down the month and the numbers. You can find all of these on Amazon. I'll include the link down below in the description. And as always, when you're working with resin, make sure to protect yourself. Wear a respirator that is appropriate for resin work and a pair of gloves. Let's get started. I'm going to start first by laying out the butterflies that I want. So this is the larger calendar and I'm going to use these 5 butterflies. Over here on the smaller one, I'm going to be using these 2 moths. And for the little charms, I'm going to be using the Chameleon Powder in Mint and Champagne. I think these 2 colors match the moth's colors really well, so I think it'll look good together. So I'm going to go ahead and cover up this top part so that we don't get any of the powder in there. And then with a paintbrush, we're going to paint. I'm going to paint the inside of the mold. Let's go ahead and mix our resin. So here's part A and part B, and we're going to mix it really well. Once the resin is ready, we're going to pour it into the mold. We're not going to fill it all the way up. We're actually going to pour in 2 layers. The first layer is going to be clear, and then the back layer will be colored. So here is the first layer, and add the butterflies. I'm going to lightly press down, but I don't want it too far down because I still want resin underneath. So I read the reviews on Amazon for these butterflies and there were a few people that says you don't need to seal the paper. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. If we don't need to seal the paper, then that makes it so much easier. Otherwise, I would seal these paper with some Mod Podge. But let's go ahead and give it a try. So the butterflies are in, however, I think it still looks a little plain. So what I'm going to do is add some flowers. I have some dried flowers that I had bought for a different project, but I think this is a great time to use it. And of course, we can't forget the flakes. So it's been a few hours and the resin is more solid now. It is not fully cured, but we are ready for our second coat. So we're going to put another color on the back. So for this one, the smaller one, I'm going to be using sapphire blue. And so we're going to make it very opaque and cover the entire back, including the little charms. And here is the larger calendar, looking really good from the back. And this one I am going to be using white. So we're going to add a white background to it. That should really make the butterflies pop. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our resin pieces are cured and they are looking really good. Just look at this. I am really excited to demold. So let's go ahead and remove this one. Okay. And oh wow, look at this. This is so pretty. So right now you can't really see the lines. And so we're gonna have to go through and color them in so that we can see the lines and the text. Let's go ahead and take out these charms and see what they look like. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, these colors are beautiful. Love how they're a little bit translucent. The powder is really nice. Here's a lightning bolt. Here's the moon. And here's a cloud. For these, you can turn them into magnets or you can use them to decorate another piece of artwork. Okay, now for the big one. So the big one here, the back is white and look at this. Okay, let's go ahead and peel it. Okay, you ready? Oh wow, this is beautiful. Just look at that. These butterflies look amazing. And it turns out we actually don't need to seal them. So that is awesome. That saves us an extra step. So now we know we can just pop in the butterflies. I am seeing some bubbles here and there, but overall it looks pretty good. And the next thing we're going to do is color in the lines. So for this one, the smaller one, I'm going to be using black. This is an enchanted black, ultra black base coat paint. And for the other one, I'm going to be using plain white. And we're also going to need some baby wipes. So what we're going to do is take their paint, just the acrylic paint, paint the words and get the paint into the ridges. And before the paint dries, we're going to wipe it off with the baby wipe. Just kind of swipe across, and there we go. You can see we leave the paint inside the words behind. And we're going to do the same thing with the other calendar, except this time we're going to be using white. You know, we might change the color. The white is not coming out very well. I think I'm gonna switch it to blue. Okay, let's see how blue looks. Okay, so I think I like this color a lot better. Alright everyone, so we are done. Here is the smaller weekly planner. We have these two moths flying in the background with some iridescent flakes and flowers. I think it turned out really, really pretty. And of course, we can use this with whiteboard markers. And right here, going to the gym on Monday. Or I can use black. Like that. And of course, you can wipe it off when you're done. Here is the monthly calendar. I think it turned out so beautiful. I am so in love with this calendar. So up here, every month you can fill this out. You can say January 22. And then we can put in the dates in the little squares. You can use it for the entire month, wipe it down, and start over the next month. Alright everyone, I had so much fun making these two calendars today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to make your own calendar using the less resin products, use the link down below in the description. You will get a discount on your next order. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!